Good morning, students. Yesterday, you must have seen the PPT on the tea gardens of Assam. As we have travelled from Goa to Kurg, and Kurg to Assam. Assam is well known for its tea gardens all over the world. It is the largest producer, fine, and the popularity of tea is not unknown to you, fine. This story is of two characters, Pranjal and Rajveer. Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden, and now we start. Means both are going to Pranjal's home to spend vacation. So you can imagine that Pranjal and Rajveer are two friends, and one is going to another's home in Assam. Chai garam chai, a vendor called out in a high-pitched voice. If you have travelled in a train, you must have seen how the vendors call out. किस तरह से vendors आवाज़ लगाते हैं, चाय गरम, चाय ले लो, चाय ले लो. इसी तरह से इसे भी आवाज़ लगाई जा रही थी. He came up to their window and asked, "Chai sahab?" Vendor reached near to the window and asked them whether they need the tea. "Give us 2 cups, Pranjal said. He wanted to have 2 cups. They slipped the steaming hot liquid. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world?" Rajveer said. When they took the cups from the vendor, they started sipping it, and it was very hot. So Rajveer asked Pranjal that this tea makes 80 crore cups every day all over the world. Means 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day all around the world. "Whew!" exclaimed Pranjal. "Tea really is very popular." Pranjal, though he was surprised, but he said that it was really very popular all around the world. The train pulled out of the station. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. Fine. The train started moving. Pranjal buried his nose means being busy in some work. Buried someone's nose means being busy in someone's work. So Pranjal started to read his detective book again. Detective means one who examines crimes. डिटेक्टिव बुक पढ़ रहा था वो, फिर से पढ़ने लगा. राजवीर भी डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज का बड़ा फैन था. आर्डेंट मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग. He had a strong desire to read the detective stories. But now he started looking out because the scenery was very beautiful. One can well imagine, if any one of you have gone to the eastern states, the beauty is majestic, wonderful. It was green, green everywhere. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. Then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. See, when he started looking out of the window of the train, he saw lush green fields. He had never seen such a greenery ever before. Actually, now the soft green paddy fields gave way to green tea bushes. Paddy fields, paddy means rice. Okay? Remember this thing, I hope you are knowing. You must have studied in social as well. So earlier there were paddy fields and now they replaced those paddy fields to tea gardens, tea bushes. It was a magnificent view. Against the backdrop of densely wooded hills of a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. Dwarfing the tiny area, tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shade trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes, busily moved doll-like figures. In the distance was an ugly building with smoke billowing out of tall chimneys. What happened now? When he was looking at this magnificent view, against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched out as far as I could see. जहाँ दूर दूर तक पहले डेंसली थिकली एंड डेंसली वुडेड हिल्स, चारों तरफ हरी भरी पेड़ ही पेड़ जहाँ हिल्स पर थे, नाउ ऑन दोज हिल्स द प्लेस हैज टेकन बाय द टी बुशेस. अब तो जहाँ तक दूर दूर तक जहाँ तक निगाह जाती थी टी बुशेस ही नज़र आ रही थी. नाउ ड्वार्फिंग द टाइनी टी प्लांट्स वर टॉल स्टडी शेड ट्रीज. अब ड्वार्फिंग मीन्स छोटे, स्मॉल इन साइज. जो टी बुशेज होती है दे आर एक्चुअली स्मॉल इन साइज बट दे आर प्रोवाइडेड द शेड ऑफ टॉल ट्रीज, शेडी ट्रीज. And amidst the orderly row of bushes, busily moved doll-like figures. और अब वहाँ ऑर्डरली बुशेस की ऑर्डरली रोज हैं, टी बुशेस की ऑर्डरली रोज हैं, उनकी पंक्तियाँ बनी हुई हैं टी बुशेस की. एंड doll-like figures were busily moving. Doll-like means human figures like women, those who were moving. And why they were moving? To pluck tea leaves. It is obvious. Women pluck tea leaves in those tea bushes. Okay? In the distance was an ugly building. और दूर उसे कहीं एक अगली बिल्डिंग नज़र आ रही थी जहाँ से धुआं निकल रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ द चिमनी. फाइन, टॉल चिमनीज because of with the smoke that was coming out of tall chimneys. Hey, a tea garden! Rajveer cried excitedly. Rajveer बड़ा खुश हो गया. He shouted with excitement, "Look, this is a tea garden." Pranjal, who had been born and brought up on plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. अब राजवीर तो पहली बार देख रहा था. ही फेल्ट एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड बट प्रांजोल हिमसेल्फ वाज born and brought up there only, so he did not have that sort of excitement as expressed by Rajveer. Oh, this is a tea country now, he said. Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime. हाँ, उसने कहा कि ये टी कंट्री है. अब एक तरह से आसाम क्या है? टी कंट्री है. आसाम हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्लांटेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. ये इंफॉर्मेशन दी कि असम में सबसे बड़ा टी प्लांटेशन का कंसंट्रेशन है एंड यू विल सी इनफ गार्डन्स टू लास्ट यू अ लाइफ टाइम। और तुम इतने प्लांटेशन देखोगे कि तुम लाइफ टाइम नहीं भूल पाओगे। आई हैव बीन रीडिंग एज मच एज आई कुड अबाउट टी, राजवीर सेड। No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Rajveer said that there are many legends. He had been reading. He said that he had been reading the books, but no one really knew that who discovered the tea first. राजवीर ने कहा कि मैं चाय के बारे में पढ़ तो काफ़ी रहा हूँ, काफ़ी पढ़ा है, बट नो वन कैन रियली टेल दैट हु डिस्कवर्ड टी फर्स्ट। बट देर आर मेनी लीजेंड्स, लेकिन बहुत सारी लीजेंड्स हैं। राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ लीजेंड्स, फाइंड इट फ्रॉम योर डिक्शनरी। विल यू? Legend, find it out yourself. Legends are, have you found out? These are mythical stories. Fine? These are mythical stories. So, when Rajveer said that there are many legends behind them, behind tea, the origin of tea. So Pranjal said, what legends? कौन सी mythological stories हैं? Well, there is one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water. There is one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor. It is said they were tea leaves. Then he said that one legend is like this, that Chinese emperor who used to drink the boiling water, means before drinking he used to boil it, but once it so happened that some leaves fell into it and it gave a delicious flavor, a tasty flavor, and it is said that they were tea leaves. So that was the legend said by Rajveer. First legend given by Rajveer. Okay.